Our Earth, a unique and vibrant world in a vast universe. It is the source of all life, a delicate ecosystem where every living being plays a role. Yet our planet is under threat, and it is up to us to save it. Human activity has taken a toll on the planet. We have cut down forests, polluted our air and water, and contributed to climate change. These issues affect every living creature on Earth, including us. Wildlife is losing its home. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe, affecting millions of people. Droughts, floods, and hurricanes are on the rise, impacting food security and displacing entire communities. But there is hope. We have the knowledge and technology to make a difference. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are becoming more accessible. Reforestation projects are restoring habits, and sustainable practices are helping us reduce our carbon footprints. It's time for us to act. We can all contribute to saving our planet by reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting environmental policies. We can create a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Thanks for watching Hard and Dance. Please subscribe for more.